What's up there, Mr. Paulie, brother? This thing is just tripping me out since I got another heads put on it. And I wanted to send you a little personal video of a cold start. Listen to this thing really talk. I got the Summit exhaust put on there, both sides. Aluminized 2.5-inch mandrel bent. I thought I'd just make a quick little cold start video so you could hear this thing. Oil pressure's still really good. I mean, it's cold, it'll hold 80 pounds. Listen to this lick. Don't that sound good, man? That's an old school potato right there, buddy. I wish you were out here, man. We'd be doing some running in this car. Well, that's it, brother. I just want to let you listen to this old cam hit since I put the better heads on it, and it's actually got some decent compression. You take her easy, man. I'm looking forward to your build. I know you'll get one and get her started anytime now. If I can ever help you, you just let me know. Take it easy, brother. See ya.